Hey there, viewers. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Where am I? Oh, that's right. I'm standing inside my newly put up year-old carport that I got from Harbor Freight. Except for the fact that there's no back and there's no door. I had to put this up yesterday because it was one of the last decent days in October. Literally, because the rest of this week is supposed to rain and be kind of dreary and cold. Yeah, we couldn't get the door over the poles. I think the material shrunk. So we said, "Good, just put this up, like this." Now you notice that cherry blossom is here. I drove her home, guys. Drove her home. It was, how should I say this? Kind of fun, interesting, and I stopped at the car wash where I was at. And she didn't like getting hosed down. You can even ask the wifey. It didn't want to start back up. I had to fight with it. So, if you look at the hood here, I got some things laid out. Okay, I've got two 10 by 12 tarps. I've got some 10-inch stakes. No, you can't eat these. I got those. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put those in the posts in the center. Maybe I'll drill a hole and put those there too. Here comes little man. Here he comes.
Nice.
Yeah, looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Got a light up top. I'm going to get two more of those and put them on either side. I've got my extension cord. I literally just got back, guys. And I got my extension cord run. And I've got that set up there. Just zip ties. You know what they say? Zip ties fix everything. See, the advantage of me being here under this, like I said, I'm going to put these tarps up at either end. I'm going to make sure I can get in and out on either side. I'm going to use the zip ties and whatnot there to hold them up. That's why I got so many zip ties. The advantage of me doing it here is it could be raining, it could be snowing. I don't want it to, but it could be snowing outside. I'm going to get a heater in here so that way I can stay warm and I can still work on cherry blossom. Now, I have calipers sitting back at the storage unit, so that I gotta go get those, but that's fine. But guys, I can bring you more content now. So if you come over here, if you notice, guys, I got the odometer working there and the trip odometer down there. That was at 0. The trip odometer was at 0 when we left. That'll go to show that's what, saying 38-ish miles. And not any hiccup at all, minus the car wash deal. So guys, I can say this. That windshield, like I mentioned in the last video, leaks bad, okay? Little man was sitting in the car, and I was trying to wash it off, and he says it was leaking bad. Matter of fact, I looked inside. It was dripping. Yeah. Like, you could literally see drippings. So that's definitely not good. I'm going to get Choice Auto Glass up here in the near future to get this windshield replaced well before next spring. So guys, this is a bit of an update here. I'm going to figure out how to get a jack up here because it's a little tight, as you can see. But that's okay. I'll work with it because I definitely want to get this car going sooner than later. But until then, next time. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay healthy because it's starting to get chilly. So I know a lot of people are going to be coming under the weather. So again, stay safe, stay healthy. And until next time, guys, have a good one.